Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Make sure the creation fruit is unlocked, and you assigned at least one skill point to its base tree. Once done, equip it to slot 1 and bind the F move to a reachable key so you can react quickly in combat. Now trigger a low-cost summon or construct to learn timing and range. This reduces resource waste and teaches the move's startup frames. Pay attention to visual cues so you can chain into the next action smoothly. Next, focus on execution. You want to use the F move right after you stagger an enemy or during their recovery window, because that maximizes hit confirm chances. Then chain it into a light attack or dash cancel to keep pressure and reduce their reaction time. Also, upgrade the fruit's efficiency so the F cost drops. Otherwise, you'll run out mid-combo. Make sure to test timing against different enemy sizes, because hit registration change. To finish, use the charged F variant to convert pressure into burst damage or a defensive construct. It often provides finishing frames or a shield. Once you land that, rotate other fruit skills while the F move cools down, keeping flow in fights. If your F move repeatedly fails, check your key binding first, then network latency, and finally any conflicting macros or anti-cheat input blockers. These commonly block the input. Adjust timing and test in a safe area until it's consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.